Hey guys, this is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I wanted to come on today, you guys, to let you know what I've been working on. If you saw my YouTube video when I had did the Annie Hook and Needle Kit Club, I had just started getting this subscription, and they sent me some dishcloths, and I wanted to work them up to, I don't want to just get it and then not work it up for you guys, right? See how everything is. And I thought that you might guys want to know what I think about it. So I am here with them, and let me show you what they are. These are the dishcloths right here. And let's get to, okay, so this one right here is the orange one right here. And this is the main one on this one was the back loop dishcloth. Well, I'm calling it the back loop dishcloth because that's what it was. That's mainly what the ridges and everything is in here, is the back loop. This one was nice and smooth. Look at the color of this. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the variegated of it, how it is. It's two-tone. The orange lights and darks of the orange. But this, so this is this one right here, the first one. And this one is the second one, the blue one. Okay, you guys, so this one right here. Oh my word. Okay, so this one right here is I do not know the stitch. The pattern do not state what the stitch is on each cloth. But this stitch is absolutely beautiful. I like this stitch. I can see this in a baby blanket or something like that. Something that has to do with really tight stitches. And I don't know if you can see it, but this stitch is really nice. And this one right here, I had a journey with this one because this one kept getting smaller and smaller, and I was like, oh my word, like what is going on? Like, why is this getting smaller? And you guys, I had pattern block or something, because I ripped this out twice. And the second time I read it slow. And what I found out is that I was missing a chain one. Like, oh my word, right? Like, I was missing the chain one. So once I finally got the chain one, and the stitch, but I still had to keep my eye on this one just because I didn't want to make no more mistakes ripping it out. But I finally got it, and this is it right here. And it came out so nice. So nice. I really like it. Okay, and so this one, the next one, the last one, which I worked up today. Look, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so this one is my favorite. This one was smooth. This one, I worked this up. I read the pattern. I worked this up so smoothly. And it is just absolutely beautiful. I like it. And like I said, they do not name what stitch this is. They could have made it up. I don't know. But I know how to do it. And this will look good on a cardigan or a sweater or something. But yeah, you guys. So I wanted to come on and I want to share what my progress is. And so, but you know what, guys, let me know. Do you think this will look good as a sweater or a cardigan? Or, let me know your thoughts on this. I would really want to know, what you think this could be, because I got some plans for this stitch. But you know what, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and just, listening to me share my things. And it's so sweet to talk to you guys each time I get on and share my stuff. But if you like what I'm doing and like what I'm saying, then just go ahead and click and subscribe to my channel. There's be a little bell that you would get. It's a notification bell. You can go ahead and just hit that, and you'll be notified each time I load up a video. I'm gonna let you guys go now. But I do want you to remember, you guys, when you are working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys.